Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming filament type and pen temperature. Different plastics melt at different temps, so match them. Plug the pen in and wait the indicator. Once it reads ready, you'll press feed. Load filament until about 0. 5 to 1 cm extrudes to ensure there are no air gaps. This first step prevents clogs and gives you predictable flow. Once done, make sure the tip is steady and test a short line on scrap to feel the extrusion speed before moving on. You'll control thickness by changing speed and pressure. Slow, steady strokes yield thin, precise lines, while faster passes create thicker beads for fills. Start with a strong outline to anchor the shape, then add successive layers at 30 to 45-degree overlaps to bond each layer and avoid gaps. Hold the pen perpendicular for vertical walls and at a slight angle for fillets. Once done, make sure to let each layer cool briefly, so the structure sets before adding more. You complete the piece by trimming excess with flush cutters and smoothing visible seams. A low-temperature iron or fine sandpaper evens surfaces without deforming details. Once cooled, power off, then unload the filament to prevent residual melting inside. Clean the nozzle while warm using a soft cloth or a designated cleaning filament. If you hit a jam, heat to the correct melting temperature. Try a slow manual retract and use a cold pull if needed. This clears debris and restores consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.